Hello everybody, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronica Me, and today I prepared another interesting inspirational painting tutorial for you. I will be going for a very shiny art this time, and that's why I chose these beautiful mica colors, which are from Arteza. It's Pearl Golden Hour, Pearl Amaranth Red, and some magenta, purple, blue, electric blue, and also this white petal. It has got mica inside of these colors, so these will be beautiful and shiny. I will put the link down in the description box for you if you'll be interested. And I wanted to explain what I did with my colors. I mixed them with pouring medium, and this is the let's see, different one. This is the consistency of my colors, so something between thick and thin. And I mixed them with pouring medium. I used PVA glue as my pouring medium. I used this type of glue, sorry, which I bought in local art shop, and I mixed this glue with water. I use 60% of PVA glue and 40% of water, and that creates my pouring medium. I will also put 2 drops of silicone oil in each color because I would like to get some nice cells in my art. So 2 drops in each color. Here's oil. Don't put too much silicone in, otherwise you end up with very oily art. If you just put 1 or 2 drops, it shouldn't be visible, the oily spots. Or if it is visible, you can clear it. Sorry, today is not a good day for me. You can clear it with some wet tissues after your art will be dry. So my colors are mixed, and now I can start pouring them in my cup. As you can see, I've got my canvas here, which is size 30 times 30 centimeters. You don't have to use black canvas, you can also use white canvas, it depends on you. So I start with white, but I'll keep a little bit of white for later on. And then my yellow, beautiful, almost golden color. When these colors get dry, they are very shiny and beautiful. I hope I'll create some nice rainbow art. Here's my orange. Off you go, all of it. And then this is magenta, such a beautiful color. So here we go. I'll do a ring pour this time and see what happens. Wow, that's already very nice. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So let's tilt it everywhere. Now I'm going to use my small torch, which you need to fill with gas. You need to be quite careful with this and don't put it too close to your canvas, and it should create some beautiful cells. Wow, look at it. Look at the beautiful color range in this pour. I'm gonna get this dry. I think these cells will grow a little bit more, and when it gets dry after like 4 days, I will show you what to do next, so stay tuned. And here's my pour dry after 7 days, and look at the shine. It's beautiful. I love these colors. And now I would like to embellish it with some interesting stone effect, and I will try to highlight in all these beautiful parts which I like. I would like it to be quite colorful, and I start by drawing with this pencil, which is from Pthalo. It's called Woody, and it draws on loads of surfaces, and it's quite good for this. So let's highlight in all these nice parts. And that's it. Now I'm going to fill all these parts with darker colors. I'll be mixing my Mars black with some of these shiny colors. The blue parts will be mixed with this blue, then purple parts will be mixed with pearl royal purple, and the rest will be mixed with pearl magenta. So I'll just put a little bit of this black here, and then I'm going to mix it with my blue. Blue is here, and let's mix it. I will be adding that black in my blue to see how dark it is. Now that was just a little bit of black, but it looks like this could be all right. I'm gonna try and see if that works. Yep, that works well, so I'm gonna continue filling these gaps with darker colors. So my stones are done, and now it's time to start with shading. The important thing is to know where the light source is coming from, and I decided that my light source will be coming from this part. So I will try to make shades around these stones, and the top part will be white and the bottom part will be black. And for that I'll just use white and black acrylic color and this type of brush, but you can use whatever brush is your favorite. So I will show you on this one, this stone. Let's make it closer. And the bottom part will be dark like this, and then I will try to blend it with water. And here comes the time to paint my little reflection on the bottom of my stones and maybe on some sides. I'll just decide where to paint it. Let's see, maybe just a little for the feel, just a little reflection here to make it look like it shines. And now it's time to put resin on the top of my stones. I cleared it with wet tissue paper, and the most important thing is to wait at least, well, it's better if you wait at least a month or more. The biggest mistake is to rush it and then your resin wouldn't work the way it should work and you could destroy your painting. So be patient and wait. The longer you wait, the better. And I ordered some resin from internet. I've had this before, and it says it should be mixed in ratio 100 to 60. So I measured it, and there's always part A and part B, which needs to be mixed properly. So here's my cup, and I'm gonna mix it very well. Now that looks like it's mixed. There's few bubbles in, but it's okay. I'll use my torch later on for popping those bubbles. And this is size 20 times 20. So if you have bigger canvas, you'll need to use more resin. This is the right amount, just enough to cover the whole canvas. And I'm gonna just, with my wooden stick, I'm gonna move it everywhere. And I'm gonna pop these little bubbles with my torch. So I don't want any bubbles in there. And that's done. I'm gonna come back to it to check if there are any drips, and it should get dry in about 24 hours, and then I will apply another layer, and that will be it. And here's the result of my stone pour. I just love how shiny that is. These colors look so beautiful. Look at the detail. Such beautiful cells and colors. Well, I hope this tutorial was inspirational for you. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, or you can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me and Show Us Your Beautiful Art. Thank you very much for watching and for all your support. It means the world. See you soon. Bye.